can't believe how good I feel after you do that. Wow. I'm 20 years older than them, so I said, all right, and we had a good time.
Okay.
We had a really good time.
Okay.
What would you like me to do?
Yeah, so why don't you tell me a little bit about the headache that we're dealing with today?
I have neck issues, and it goes up towards my head. And you've been adjusting my neck, but you do this type of movement that totally takes that away.
And we want one of those, right?
Yes,
Just
yes.
Give me one of those.
Yes,
okay.
yes.
Right.
And I've never had that done before.
That's been working well.
Okay.
Let's go ahead and do that now.
Okay.
Go ahead and go face down there. A lot of shoulder buildup today. Ooh. I'm about to unholster my elbows here. This is, get into those. And are you getting more one side than the other?
Yes, I lean more on my left than my right.
Yeah, I'm with you. Did you work a lot yesterday?
Actually, over the weekend I worked a lot, and then yesterday I did too.
Left side
I worked a lot yesterday.
Gosh. So I felt
Right
it down in the
there.
right, but as I came up the neck, it's
Right
just
there.
a string of mischief. Okay. We'll come back to this. We'll save that for last. Go ahead and lie on your back. From that angle, it's better. We shouldn't have a problem getting that opened up. Okay, just let your head drop in my hand. There. Beautiful. Move nice and clean. Just a little gentle counter rotation. Excellent.
I felt that. Oh, yes. Perfect. Wonderful.
Let me just decompress. Shoulders there. Take a deep breath. All right, how'd that feel?
Good, wonderful.
Awesome. Let's have a seat at the bottom of the table.
I can't believe how good I feel after you do that. Wow.
Cross your arms there. And lie down. Good. Clear that nice. Gonna get a little lower. Interlace your fingers there behind your neck.
Oh,
There
yes.
it goes. Good.
Wow.
All right, big deep breath. I'm just gonna stimulate those postural muscles. Just melt that headache away. Melt the long weekend of stress and work mileage. Okay, I think
Thank you.
tray table's up. I think we're ready for lunch.
Yes, thank you.
Great
Thank
job.
you.